Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix something happened on our end in Microsoft Store. Let's fix it guys. Select the retry option and it's getting the same error. Something happened on our end. To fix this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to find a Windows License Manager service, double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service. And select OK. And now just to close stuff here and go to search and type Microsoft Store. Now go to library and select the retry option. And now it will download without having any problem guys. And it started downloading as you can see. You can do the same thing for all of them over here, retry, and it will download without having any problem. As you can see, it has downloaded 10 MB. As you can see, this also started downloading. This way I fixed this problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.